First of all, I would like to thank all the staff of the school who have organized the annual function very nicely. Children had enjoyed a lot, and the things which they have made was amazing. And this benefit I would like to give all the teachers who have supported them and instructed them to do their things.
But before that, everyone, let me ask you a question. आप सब यही सोच रहे हैं ना कि मेरे बच्चे का परफॉर्मेंस कब होगा, है ना? Honestly tell me. Yes, I know that. Honesty is the fastest way to prevent a mistake from turning into failure. It's a precious thing which human can possess. और honesty के साथ चाहिए हमें आशा. आशाएं ऐसी हो जो मंजिल तक ले जाए, मंजिल ऐसी हो जो जीवन जीना सिखा दे. तो आइए देखते हैं हमारे 5वीं कक्षा के छात्राओं की आशाएं कितनी बुलंद है.
Wow, that was truly electrifying Punjabi dance performance.
The vibrant colors,
The energy of the move and the lively beats truly brought the spirit of Punjab alive on stage.
Now, as we catch our breath from the energetic display,
It's time to shift gears and reflect on an important value that shapes our character's honesty.
up next we bring to you a heartfelt drama that highlights how honesty remains the foundation of trust and respect in our life.
Let's welcome the talented performance of the honesty drama to the stage.
In the classroom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Sit down. See, children, yesterday I taught a table of 12. Now take out a rough book and write down the table which I had taught.
Raj, a boy in the classroom, sneaks into his friend's bag. And guess what? He found a colorful pen.
It's just a small pen. No one ever noticed.
He quickly hides the pen in his pocket. After some time, he steals another friend's compass and put in his bag. And now Raj was very happy, and happily Raj went home. At home, Raj was thinking,
If I will get money, I will buy my favorite chocolate.
now for getting money, Raj tiptoes into his father's room, where his parents were talking each other. He stole some notes from his father's wallet.
Yes, I got money. It's just a few notes. Dad won't miss this.
Raj was talking with his parents.
Dad, I am going to school.
Okay, beta.
Now Raj was ready to go to school.
Good morning, children. Sit down.
In the classroom next day,
Children, today I will introduce a new English lesson, and the name of the lesson is Daydreams. Write down in your notebook.
Now Raj, a boy in the classroom, is using the stolen pen.
Hey, this pen is mine.
No, it's mine.
What happened? Come in front. Ma'am, he has stolen my pen.
No, ma'am, it's mine. I brought it from my home.
Raj, lying is as harmful as taking something that doesn't belong to you. Raj, meet me after the school and give back his pen.
After school, Raj met his teacher.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in. Raj, do you know what happened when we take things without asking?
I guess people might feel bad, but it's just a small thing, ma'am.
Raj, it's not about the size of what you take. It's about trust. Imagine if someone took something from you, even something small, without asking, how would you feel?
I would feel bad, like they don't respect me.
Exactly. When we take what is not ours, we hurt others and also ourselves. The more we do it, it harder it becomes to stop. But there's always a chance to make things right. Honesty is the best way to build trust and respect.
Sorry, ma'am. I will try to improve myself.
Okay, beta.
Now next day, when teachers come in the classroom,
Good morning, children. Sit down. Raj, come here. And mind the class. I will get my master copy from the staff room.
No. Ma'am is putting so much trust on me. I have to improve myself. I stop taking others' belongings.
now in the classroom, teachers started thinking,
Whether Raj has improved or not, I have to check. Raj, come here. And bring my books and purse from the staff room.
Yes, ma'am. No. Ma'am believes in me, so I must not do all these things. May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in. Thank you, Raj. Sit down.
when teacher checked her purse, she found
Raj has really improved. He has become a good boy now.
In this way, teacher showed complete faith on Raj. This was the only weapon the teachers had. Many teachers turn by turn did the counseling and the result was positive. After counseling by teachers, Raj started focusing on his study. And guess what? In 9th standard, Raj got 96%.
Congratulations, Raj.
Thank you, ma'am.
This
Keep
is
it up,
the-
beta.
This is the real incident which had happened at Jnanada English School, Pokhari. The boy has passed out now with flying colors in 10th standard. We don't want to reveal the child's name. Teacher's role in Jnanada is not only to teach the children but also to mold them into a good citizen.
Children, school is over. Now you go home. Good day, children.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं हिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं हिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ आशाएं हिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं हिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं हिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
सपने लेकर भरकर जेबों में आशाएं दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाए कुछ कर जाए सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में दीपक सा जलता देखोगे सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में दीपक सा जलता देखोगे अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे
ला 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 जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम मत वाले जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम मत वाले की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे तो हम मत वाले। ला 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 ला। कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे तो हम मत वाले, सोचे तो हम मत वाले।
It was really a very motivational performance. All of you, put your hands together for such a wonderful skit and dance presented by our class 5th Jnanadians. My hard-working colleagues, Mrs. Swati and Mrs. Varsha Zadhav,